time fast.
Today, we are going to be using clay to create our very own ceramic project. Can you say clay?
What's this called?
That's a molding tool, but can you say clay?
Clay.
Oh, that was pretty good. And this is a type of clay. It's called Longhorn White because once it's fired, it will turn this white color. And what do you want to make?
I'll make a dump truck.
You want to make a dump truck out of it? Yes. So to make a dump truck, we're going to need wheels. We're going to need like a bucket for the dump truck.
Buckets?
Yeah?
We don't... Well, we bucket them without guys, yeah?
Let's see. Do you think you can make the wheels for me? Can you roll some balls for the wheels? Okay, while he's making the wheels, let's see if I can make a bucket. Let's see, I'm going to flatten this out. I might even do my roller to roll out a shape for us. Let me see that wheel. Let me see. What size is it?
Elbow.
That's good. Can you make another one for me?
Yeah. Okay.
Here's another. Unroll that for me. I like this wheel. And let's make another piece.
I'm gonna make wheel.
You're gonna make a coil?
I'm gonna help with this.
Yeah, you can help with this too. Oh, I can see your fingers left some marks in there.
A wheel will melt.
That's okay though. I'm gonna add a little bit of slip. Kind of move that around and let's keep going. Yes. Looks like it's not even there anymore. All right, that's a good piece.
Wow.
So we got 2 pieces for our bucket, and we'll trace that so they're the same shape. We need to create the bottom for our bucket. Let's see here. Can you help roll this one for me? You start in the middle, kind of roll back and forth. Isn't that funny? Let's roll that so it stays down. There we go.
Everywhere.
Bring it all the way down. Right here.
Everywhere.
There we go.
No bigger.
Oh, I like this size. That's a good size for our bucket. Let's put that to the side. We need some more wheels. I'm going to roll this into a sphere
And
flatten it to make my wheel. What do you think? I should do spheres?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do spheres. If that's what you want to do, let's do it.
I'm gonna make this one here.
All right, you make that sphere. It's like a ball.
I'm making a ball. Cause you make a ball with me.
Yes. And look, I've got a big old crack on my ball right here, so I'm gonna add just a little bit of slip. Kind of work that in and smear it, and make that crack disappear. 1, 2. You've got number 3?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, there's 4. There's 4 wheels.
There's 4. Yes, I got the number 4 wheel.
Right there.
This is going to be like the feet for our dump truck box. It's a little too big. Let's pinch away some of that clay. And roll this back up. Oh yeah, that's a good size. Let me see yours. I like that. Here, let me add a little bit of this.
Oh. Right there.
All right, keep going. Keep rolling it.
It's too slimy.
It's slimy. That's okay.
I can't do them one. I'm gonna get all messed up on my hand.
Yeah, I like that you want to keep track of your mess and not be extra messy. I really like that. You want a napkin?
Here.
There you go. Mwah.
I don't like this.
Well, let's make the cap together. How about that? Can you make a box with me? Or a cube?
How?
So we have a ball here, but we want to have flat sides. So we're going to tap, 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 and turn. Tap, 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 and turn. Tap, 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 and turn. Tap, 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 and turn.
No,
You want to try? Yeah, you try.
We flat now.
Oh, you're going to smash it, squish it down? Go for it. While you're doing that, I'm going to trace the shape of this.
I'm not done yet.
Take your time, take your time.
I have the cap done.
You got the cab done?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm gonna make it. Oh, I'm gonna make it an oval.
You can make it an oval, definitely. So I'm going to attach this here to be like the dump truck. So I'm going to add some scores and a little bit of that slimy stuff. Yeah, I think that will look really good. They're already starting to stick together. And then I want to add the wheels at the bottom too. So actually, that's probably the smarter. Well, I don't know which one to do first.
This one first.
You want to do the wheels first? Oh,
Yeah.
I'm so glad you're here. You help me make good decisions.
So,
So
with
on this side, we're going to add
the wheel.
the wheels. To add the wheels, I need to score. And then some here. Oh, and on the scores, I'm going to add a little bit of that slimy stuff. And then I'm going to put the wheels on them.
No, I want the wheel.
Yeah, you do it. You do it. You ready? Go ahead.
Yeah.
Right there. Oh,
No,
right there.
no, not right there.
Not right there. Where should I put them?
Uh,
Does a dump truck need extra wheels for the front cab too?
yeah.
It does. Can you help me make some? I think we need 2 more wheels. Here's some clay for the wheels. And while you're doing that, I'm going to take a little bit of extra clay and slip. Oh no!
You need this. It's okay. I'll get done.
It's okay, it's okay. I'm just going to go ahead and use that moisture, move it around.
I need them.
I'm gonna add a little bit of slip around the edge of the wheels to kind of give it a little extra something to hold. Hey, that's not a ball. Well, you didn't make a sphere out of that. Try that again.
Bye.
Alright, I got to pick this up. And now it's sitting on its wheels.
Yeah.
I'm going to add this underneath it just to hold it up so it doesn't sloop, fall down there. Oh, and I made a hole. That's okay. That's okay. That extra moisture helped me make a hole there. I'm just going to fold this back over and smear that back in. Okay. Now, about this wall. Oh, now it's too long. I guess I need to make this a little shorter. Let's see, this way. And get another molding tool. And trim that down. All right. Add some scores over here. And some scores right here. A little bit of slip. Slip. And add those pieces together. Smearing them. Oh, they're standing up pretty nicely.
Oh, this is wrong. Well, maybe we'll torture.
Need a little shorter?
Yeah.
Go ahead. You got it? You got it. And I'm going to use a big pencil under here just to keep it from drooping
Here you go.
while it dries. Oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you.
This is this bumper.
That's going to be the bumper. I love that idea. You have such good ideas. Did you know that?
There's 2 bumpers.
One for the front too?
Yeah. This is only just one. It's like this.
Yeah. Here's the back door part. Let's remake that because that's got too much moisture now. We'll save that to the side.
Hey, what happened?
It's kind of using that to measure.
I need a cool. But it's okay. I'll make it again.
That's a great attitude. I love your attitude.
Well, where would this go?
I don't know. I'm going to add this to right there to make a back door. What do you think? Does that look good?
Yeah,
All
and
right.
this. What's this? I'm gonna put. Let me be this.
It's a little tall right here. So we just kind of using that. And let's add our slip in there.
And bigger.
It can't. I don't want to make it any bigger. You like it so far?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh no, the cabinets.
it needs its cab, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's
Let me move it over here.
and the top and the roof.
Let's leave the roof open so we can put stuff inside once it's dry.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make it. We'll make it into like a little box.
Wait, we'll put this in there too. We'll put a ball in there.
Well, we'll have to let it dry all the way before we can start putting a bunch of stuff inside. I think I have grandma another big pencil.
It's right now. What? Is this a? This a? This? I don't. Hey, it don't need the roof. It don't need the roof.
Yeah, you don't need the roof.
It definitely wants. This one don't. This one.
So you want to make a cab for it. That's going to be a big piece. So I'm going to create
Everywhere.
a little flat here.
Everywhere.
You think a square?
Yeah.
Like a, can you say cube?
Cube.
Like a cube? Okay. Let me bring that back in. So to make a cube, I need to first compact the clay into a sphere and then go back and pop, 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 and tap it on the sides. And that's going to help me make my cube.
This.
And then I can't have a
It
big
don't
piece of clay like
open.
this because this would pop in the kiln.
Yeah, I don't open.
So I'm going to create an opening.
This it bites.
And I'm actually going to use this opening to like hold a pencil or something. Like maybe I'll put
I
notes
mean-
right here. Or
I'm gonna need them
Let's see.
this.
like little cards like this in here. And then I'll use this to hold a pencil. That would be actually really cute.
I need them these. So I'm gonna do this right here,
I'm like starting to really like this idea.
and this
You have such good
way,
ideas.
and this
Be
goes-
gentle.
and this right here. What?
This will be the cab. Well, we'll hold a pen or pencil.
Ah, and make a hole.
Like that. I think that will look good.
Yeah,
We're almost done.
yeah.
I'm gonna add the wheels.
It's gonna be right over here. Ah, here we go.
These wheels I feel like might be a little too big. Okay. What? You added that really well.
a wheel. Ooh, thank you.
And then it goes right there. And we did it! Yay! I like it. Do you like it?
I'll make it bigger, don't worry.
Well, we're going to have to do that on another piece of clay because we got to let this one dry. And then in a couple days when we get it back after it's expired, maybe we can even glaze it. Till then, keep being creative.
Everything right here.
Yeah. Can you say keep being creative?
She fades.
Wave. Can you wave?
Bye. Everything. Why are you?